Ever wondered what the most curious and mind-blowing things you can do with ChatGPT are? In just the next few minutes, we're diving into amazing tricks, from summarizing long articles and creating personalized stories to planning your dream vacation, all designed to make your life easier and more fun. First up, ChatGPT can save you tons of time by summarizing content. Have a long article or video you don't have time for? Just paste the link into ChatGPT and get the key points in seconds. I used it to summarize Elon Musk's TED Talk, the future we're building, and boring, and got the main ideas in under a minute. It even works for books and long documents. Just type TLDR and watch as ChatGPT condenses hundreds of pages into a few sentences. I tried it with Oliver Twist by Charles Dickens, and it nailed the summary. It's amazingly efficient. Ever wanted to be the star of your own story? ChatGPT can create personalized stories featuring you as the main character. For example, I asked ChatGPT to tell me a bedtime story for my little girl, and it crafted The Adventure of Lily and the Magic Unicorn. In this enchanting tale, Lily explores a magical land with Sparkle the unicorn. It's incredible how ChatGPT turns simple prompts into captivating stories. Do you know you can play text-based games with ChatGPT? From classic trivia to adventures like Dungeons & Dragons, ChatGPT is a fun gaming partner. Just give it a scenario, and it guides you through an exciting journey with choices and challenges. For instance, I tried, I want to play an RPG and I want you to be the game master. I want to be a medieval warrior with a group of 5 heroes. Let's do an RPG session where you present the scenario, and I decide what to do next. ChatGPT created an adventure with my character, Sir Alden, leading a team of heroes through a village mystery with multiple paths to explore. It's engaging, interactive, and adds a whole new level of fun to text-based gaming. Stuck on what to cook with random ingredients in your fridge? ChatGPT can help. Just list what you have, and it will create a unique recipe for you. For instance, I typed, in my fridge I have mortadella, eggs, eggplant, and beans. What recipe can we make with this? And ChatGPT suggested an eggplant and mortadella frittata. It's a versatile dish combining these ingredients into a satisfying meal. Just cook the eggplant, sauté the aromatics, mix in mortadella and beans, pour in the eggs, and broil to perfection. It's like having a personal chef always ready to get creative in the kitchen. Love to travel? ChatGPT crafts detailed itineraries for any destination. For instance, I asked it to plan a South Africa trip, and it provided a comprehensive guide, covering top spots like Cape Town and Kruger National Park. It's like having a personal travel agent, making your trips memorable and well-organized. Looking for a mental workout? You can ask it to create riddles or even math challenges tailored to your skill level. ChatGPT can generate fun brain teasers to keep your mind sharp. For instance, I asked for a challenge like Einstein's IQ test, and it created a complex logic puzzle. Try it out and see how well you can solve it. Studying for the exams? ChatGPT can help. For example, I asked for a 10-question quiz, and it provided questions ranging from math and science to literature and geography. It's a great way to test your knowledge and get instant feedback. Just give it a try and boost your exam prep. Hope you enjoyed these mind-blowing ChatGPT tricks. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the AI Lib for more awesome content. And hey, don't leave just yet. Check out these other cool videos popping up on your screen right now. See you in the next adventure.